The HP Smart Tank 7602 is a wireless all-in-one ink tank printer designed for home offices or small business environments. It combines printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a single unit and comes with a refillable ink system and up to 2 years worth of ink included to minimize running costs early on. Printing and speed. With this model, you get ISO standard speeds of up to 15 pages per minute (ppm) for black and 9 ppm for color prints. In draft mode, color printing can reach up to 22 ppm. The maximum resolution for black is 1200 rendered DPI, while color can reach up to 4000, 800 to 1200 is optimized DPI. It also supports automatic two-sided duplex printing to reduce paper usage, ink, and cost efficiency. One of the standout features is the inclusion of enough ink to print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. The ink tanks are refillable and use HP's spill-free refill design, making replenishing cleaner and more convenient. Connectivity and smart features. This printer supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and has self-healing Wi-Fi capabilities that detect and resolve connectivity issues automatically. It also includes Ethernet, USB, and Wi-Fi Direct for optional direct printing. The HP Smart app lets you print, scan, and manage tasks from mobile devices. Moreover, HP AI features help with formatting prints, optimizing ink usage, and removing unwanted content from documents, scanning, copying, and faxing. For scanning, it uses a flatbed plus a 35-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF. The optical scan resolution can reach up to 1200 DPI. Copy speeds, maximum, are up to 23 copies per minute in black and up to 22 CPM in color, under favorable conditions. It supports up to 99 copies in one job and scaling from 25% to 400%. The fax function operates at up to 33.6 kbps, with memory for up to 100 pages, and supports features like auto-redial, delayed transmission, and forwarding. Paper handling and design. The printer has a standard 250-sheet input tray and a 100-sheet output tray. It supports many media sizes, e.g. A4, A5 envelopes, photo sizes, and borderless printing, up to 8.5 x 11 in. The overall dimensions, with trays closed, are approximately 42.75 x 36.40 to 24.03 centimeters dxh, and it weighs about 7.7 keys. The display is a 3-inch monochrome graphics touchscreen, MGD, that lights up smart guided buttons to help with common tasks. Performance and reliability. Its duty cycle is rated at up to 6,000 pages per month, though HP recommends a regular usage volume of 400 to 1,200 pages per month for optimal performance. It includes a 1-year standard warranty, and in many regions, HP offers 2-year next business day advance exchange service for Smart Tank 7600 6000 series units. The printer uses 256 MB of internal memory and a processor clocked at 800 MHz. Overall, the HP Smart Tank 7602 is a feature-rich multifunction ink tank printer built for users who need consistent output, low recurring costs, and smart connectivity. Its dual-band Wi-Fi, AI-enhanced printing, auto-replenishing ink design, and full suite of scanning, copying, fax features make it well-suited for home offices or small businesses that want a reliable all-rounder. If you like, I can also provide pros and cons or compare it to competing models. Would you like me to?